अगुवाई कर रहे हैं हमारे जॉइंट डायरेक्टर रिसर्च डॉक्टर विश्वनाथन चिन्नू स्वामी सर, जो कि इस परियोजना के IARI के PI हैं। मैं डॉक्टर चिन्नू स्वामी सर से अनुरोध करता हूँ कि कृपया वे आएँ और इस परियोजना के बारे में कुछ और जानकारी दें और साथ ही इस प्रशिक्षण कार्यशाला के थीम के विषय में और विस्तृत जानकारी दें।
Thank you, Dr. Pranjal. Very good morning to all of you. Respected Dr. P.R. Sharma sir, respected Dr. R. Shethavan sir, and Dr. Ram Saran, Director NAHEP, and all the project course directors, Dr. Gopal Krishnan, Head Division of Genetics, Dr. Manjaya, Nodal Officer in NAHP-CAAST, and all distinguished colleagues from NAHEP, IARI, and my dear so many participants. A very good morning to all of you. First of all, I also join Dr. Ram Saran in thanking both of our Deputy Director General. They were ready to spare this time to interact with you and to inaugurate this very important training program. Sir, just I want to briefly tell you about the NAHP-CAAST project. This project was started in April 2018 under the National Agriculture Higher Education Project. Ours is Center for Advanced Agriculture Science and Technology. So under this training program, we had 4 different major areas of working. One is to creation of the state-of-art research facilities for the student. So for this, we have created in the IARI research facilities, which is known as Discovery Center, one for genomic research, one for drone remote sensing and data analytics. At a cost of about almost 8 crores we spend on these facilities. Sir, I would like to inform you that these facilities are now in the online portal, and all the students and faculty, anybody want to use, just they reserve the equipment. All the equipments are listed in the online portal. They reserve the equipment and they use this equipment. This is very well used. This helped us to expand the area of student research in the genomics. That is, besides genetics or physiology, a few division students go to do molecular work. So now many division students, they are taking work in the genomics program because they need not go for facility to any other place. The basic facilities are available in the Discovery Center. Even the agronomy student, they started using the RNA marker to see the microbial diversity when they give various conservation agriculture practices. So such an impact that really the class serves the purpose in inculcating genomic skills across 50 diverse disciplines of a year. The other important aspect is that learning by doing. So unless other cost center which recruited several RESR to carry forward the research work, in IARI we use our students only. We gave research funding to our students, more than 150 students. We gave research funding. They could do part of their MSc and PhD research work. This really helped in executing the genomic skills, because whatever training we organize, they need to do hands-on practice. This
various divisions of IARI, professors of IARI, my senior colleagues from NIPB, from scientific, administrative and technical staff, and my colleagues, and dear participants. Most importantly, dear participants and students. This training program is being jointly organized by NIPB and Division of Plant Physiology, IARI. And I thank Dr. Bhattacharya and Dr. Vishwanathan for giving me the opportunity to organize this training as course coordinator, along with Dr. Pranjal, my friend, as coordinator from Plant Physiology Division, and also some co-coordinators from NIPB, Dr. Anshul, Dr. Sandhya, and from IARI, Dr. Soham, Dr. Shivani, and Dr. Archana. Sir, the preparation of this training was started in mid-May when Dr. Vishwanathan and Dr. Bhattacharya agreed to jointly organize this training. And we released announcement of training in last week of May. And as soon as we released the announcement, application started coming. So more than, as mentioned by sir, more than 950 applications were received. And we selected 35 candidates from nation, from different states of the nation. From 21 different states, the participants have been selected. And we thought the students which would not be selected, they will be benefited if we generate some online link, as mentioned by sir. So when we provided the link for online registration to 900 plus candidates, surprisingly 1150 registrations were received. So that means the message was spread across the nation. And this program has been designed in such a way that in forenoon we have mostly lectures by eminent scientists of plant biotechnology of different institutes and universities in India, and in afternoon sessions mostly practicals are there, and practicals range from very basic like growing bacterial culture, isolation of DNA, PCR, gel electrophoresis, to advanced techniques like designing light RNA, construct preparation, detection of mutations, and SOP preparation for developing edited plant as varieties. So we have also planned visit to Phenomics facility and NAHEP museum during the training, so that the participants who came in from across the nation, they can at least have a look at these facilities. And in the valedictory session, we will have a valedictory lecture by Professor Tesi Bansal, eminent plant biotechnologist of the country and former director at NPGR. And with this, I hope the lectures and practical sessions will be immensely beneficial for all the students, and I hope that they can apply the knowledge gained by this training in their future research program. So this was all about the training program, and as we move ahead in the training, we will know more about it. And now I request all the participants to introduce one by one. Abba, please provide the microphone. Be very brief, your name, your discipline, in which area you are doing MSc or PhD, and from which university or institutes you are.
Good morning everyone, myself Sujata from Haryana. Currently I am in PhD 4th year program. I am pursuing my PhD degree in plant physiology at IARI, Karnataka. Very good morning to all the dignitaries and participants. Myself Shivali Sharma. I am from Shimla, but I am doing PhD in Ram Lakshmi Bai Central Agriculture University on the topic of nanotechnology.
Good morning everyone, my name is Subham Kumar and I am from Bihar, and I am currently pursuing my PhD from ICGB in plant biology.
Good morning sir, good morning everyone. Myself Tanushree Dash. I am from West Bengal. I have completed my BSc and MSc in botany stream, and now I am pursuing my PhD program from ICGB. Good morning everyone. This is Neelam Devankar. I am from CFTRI in Mysore. I am further my PhD there, and I hope we have an amazing training. A very enthusiastic morning to everybody present here. Myself Ayushi Singh. I am currently pursuing my Masters in Biotechnology from Agra College.
Very good morning to all of Myself, Neha Radford. I am from Agra, and in particular, currently I am doing PhD from the Jivali University College.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yamini Chaudhary. I am from Uttarakhand. Presently, I am doing PhD from the Department of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology at Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, Bangalore. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Pooja Dev from Assam. Currently I am pursuing my PhD degree from Assam Agricultural University, Department of Plant Pathology. Good morning to all, myself Priya Sani. I am currently pursuing my PhD from NAHEP-CAAST Institute of Genomics. Hi, good morning. Myself Nisha Chauhan and I am from Haryana. And I am pursuing my PhD from Thakur Institute of Engineering and Technology, and my topic is mutational breeding.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anuradha. I am from Hyderabad. I am currently pursuing my PhD at PGTSU Hyderabad and in Department of Genetics and Biotechnology.
A very pleasant morning to everyone. Myself Sidhu. I am pursuing PhD at IARI in the Genetics Department. I will be working on functional validation of gene governing human trait in rice. I am very excited for this hands-on training program because first it will be helpful for myself. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bharat. I am from Himachal Pradesh. I am currently pursuing PhD in molecular biology and biotechnology from Dr. Keshwari Verma University of Horticulture and Forestry. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Harshita Singh and I am from Haryana. I am currently pursuing PhD in Forest Biotechnology from ICFRE Institute of Forest Genetics and Tree Breeding, Coimbatore. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Human Kothari. I am a PhD student third year from Jivali University of Agriculture and Technology, and I am in plant physiology division, and I am working under terminal heat stress tolerance in rice and its mitigation. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Bhadragiri Himabindu. I belong to Andhra Pradesh, but I am currently pursuing my PhD in ICAAST at Hyderabad. I am from the Department of Genetics and Plant Breeding. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arushi and I am pursuing my PhD program in Plant Molecular Biology from South Asian University, Delhi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sejal Batra and I am currently an MSc student from the Department of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, and I am currently pursuing my studies at ISR Lucknow.
Good morning everyone, my name is Adra Anil. I am from Kerala and I am doing my PhD in Division of Nephrology, IARI.
Good morning everyone. Myself Amol Pradra Sulomke. I am doing PhD at Mahaprabhu Krishi Vidyapith, Rauli, and I am currently doing research at ISF Institute, National Institute of Statistics Institute at Maharashtra.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sajid. I am from Tamil Nadu and currently I am studying PhD in Kerala University in the Department of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology. And my current research topic is CRISPR-Cas9 mediated genome editing in banana for drought stress problem.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Muskan Gandhi and I am currently pursuing PhD from University of Delhi in plant molecular biology.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mohit Agarwal. I am currently pursuing my PhD in genetics and plant breeding from SPAS.
Hello everyone, my name is Shobhik Chandani. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I am pursuing PhD in plant pathology from Bihar University.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tushar Mandal. I am from West Bengal. I am doing my PhD in Pondicherry Central University in the Department of Bioinformatics. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ashish Chowhatia from Gujarat, Junagadh Agriculture University and Department of Biotechnology.
Good morning to one and all. Myself Kailash Patel from Rajasthan. Currently I am pursuing PhD in plant pathology.
Good morning everyone. Myself Namam Sanasir from Manipur. I am pursuing my PhD from Central Agricultural University in Assam.
Good morning to respected dignity and scientists. I am Rushikesh Mane. I am from Maharashtra I am pursuing my PhD at Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture University, Pusa, Bihar, and I am recently working on the hormone-mediated stress tolerance through transcriptomic studies. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to everyone. I am Akshay from Maharashtra, and I recently completed my master's from IARI and did my master's thesis in Germany on grid spikes on the contrasting length. So, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Jalil Patil. I am from Maharashtra. I am pursuing my PhD at Division of Plant Biology, IARI. I am working on Chitra virus.
So I think these were the all registered participants. Others are the students which are working in genome editing project in our institute and in IARI.
Thank you, sir. IARI NAHEP-CAAST has published a training manual which will be used throughout this training program, and it contains the abstracts and the details of the practicals of this training manual. I request the dignitaries to please release this training manual. Sir. Dear friends, ICR plays a huge role in agricultural education of the country, and today we have none other than the DBG Education with us, Dr. R.C. Agrawal. And R.C. Agrawal sir is also leading this NAHEP program, which has become like a Akshay Patra, a never-ending pot which is bountiful and giving funds and the opportunities for students all across India. I invite sir to please come and address this gathering. Sir.
So thank you very much, and good morning to all of you. My colleague, most respected Dr. T.R. Samaji, who is not only the Deputy Director General of Crop Science, is one of the biggest division in Asia, but now one of the biggest institutes, the IARI, is also being headed by him. So, congratulations to you. And also, just 2 days back, we could see that IARI has got really a very leading rank, and that is second rank under the deemed university category. Very satisfactory rank, I can say. Just after IISc, you can see getting second rank is really something. So heading that institute, Dr. is really a great pleasure, and we are really proud that you will, in a very productive time, deliver a lot of things for this education policy. Our colleague Dr. Bhattacharya, Dr. Vishwanath, all our senior colleagues, Dr. Mandiga, Dr. Kumar, Dr. Kaur, all the staff, and most importantly the students, the participants, I can say. Out of participants, I think mostly they are the students. So, first of all, let me thank Dr. Bhattacharya and Dr. Krishna for inviting me. So, Dr. Bhattacharya, really it's a pleasure that I am here to see this important training program. So let me just begin by asking my dear students, अभी क्रिकेट मैच किसने देखा? नहीं देखा? देखा तो सभी ने? सभी ने देखा? नहीं देखा किसी ने? whatever. Just you can see anything can change anytime. So let me just begin by saying important message is we should not be disappointed कि किसी भी लेवल पर आप ये सरेंडर नहीं करना चाहिए कभी। देखा तो सभी ने सेम थिंग आप सभी ने 900 में से आपका 30 सेलेक्ट करना, just you can 30 में से and you have physically बैठना. Many of you are coming for the first time this year disappointed कि किसी भी लेवल पर आप ये सरेंडर नहीं करना चाहिए. So again this is a great opportunity for us. 900 में से आपका 30 select करना. What I am trying to say is 30 में से I think anything can change anytime. Many of you are coming for the first time and similarly to meet the challenges of the future. We have to have a great opportunity to achieve all those challenges by doing the business like you say is we have to take help of the anything can change any technology and innovation. And similarly to meet for that this training I think is very important. We have to have such training programs, all those challenges really can pave the way for we have to take help of our science, technology and security innovation. And for that this training economics security and many more challenges. Training program, all those biotic research, pave the way genomics. My second satisfaction is by seeing number of participants as girls with biotic stresses because I always say my second satisfaction is little intervention of the ICAR participants by providing more posters for the girls because I always say and by promoting that Dr. Vishwanath you may be recalling when we asked that by providing more for going to the girls abroad under NAHP we have sent around 3,000 Vishwanath you may be recalling and we asked that when we should ensure that there should be going to the gender balance 50% should be sent around 3,000 students. But we did not get 50%, ensure that there were eligible for that. Gender around 35% should be of the girls who have really, but we could not get 50%. But here I see so around 35% the more number of girls, really the number of boys. But here I see, and the same thing we can see in ICAR also now. In last 8 years, the same thing we can see in ICAR also now. The 23% 8 years to 49.3% girls. 23%. So more and more girls are showing interest in that. We can really see the samples today also. We can really see the samples. Today, I should thank Dr. Bhattacharya for really making it possible. We are connecting online that other parties connecting online are not able to participate. Because everybody physically cannot. Calling 900 participants making their stay arrangement, making their food arrangement, making the logistics, everything, sitting space, everything is not possible. But somehow we can provide them such kind of training programs. So as Vishwanath was saying, and my colleagues were saying, this NAHEP project. I think many of you may be the beneficiary of NAHEP also. I could see one participant from the Solan. And Solan many girls they have visited abroad, other universities also. So ultimate under this, because under this NAHEP, three components, this caste was one of the very important components which we have treated 16 center of excellence. And all those 16 center of excellence, like the one you are studying for genomics, you can see the discovery center, you can see a lot of other interventions, how decentralized facilities are there in almost all the universities. Augmented reality, virtual reality, and how we are creating artificial intelligence centers also for these students. You can see that how the artificial intelligence is going to change our life. We have to have the artificial intelligence as a three kind of research. And because of NAHEP, we could see that the baseline survey we did before this start of this project in 2017. Now if I see all those figures, there is a quantum jump. You see the H index on time students graduation rate was 78%, but presently it is 95%. You see the placement rate from 43% to 66%. You see the entrepreneurship around 400 entrepreneurs with the average turnover of around 28 lakhs has been treated. So our students have a lot of potential. And I think using such kind of training programs, they can really do wonders. become self-employed, they can do outstanding research, they can do a lot of things, innovative things. Such training programs are really very important, and more importantly, I can say it provides deep insights in networking. Otherwise, it was not possible for me to connect with so many teachers. They have taught, I think, all the best teachers as a resource person. You will have connections with them. Even after you complete this training program, you can have dialogue for the trainings. Among yourself also you can have a lot of interactions. You can have really during this 10 days program a lot of discussions, ideas you can share with yourself. Many other advantages are there of such training programs physically. But I can say because of this technology, as I started by saying there's science, technology and innovations. Technology has really played very important role. One of those technology in you can see this CRISPR technology. You can do manual level this gene manipulation, how other things physically can do, and physically you can see, practically you can see all those at this particular center. Personally I feel that we should go deep inside. Whatever topic you are selecting for your research program, whatever topic you are going for the training program, you should deep dive into that particular. So one should not have these software knowledge. I think you understand what is software knowledge. Software domain गाड़ी होती है ना, इसके पीछे एक स्टोरी भी है प्लेइंग का स्टोरी जिनको नोबेल प्राइज मिला था। उनका जो ड्राइवर था वो कहता था क्या हर जगह आप एक ही लेक्चर देते हैं, तो मुझे लेक्चर देने दीजिए। और उन्होंने कहा आप लेक्चर दिया, मैं इसका लेक्चर दिया फर्स्ट क्लास लेक्चर दिया ड्राइवर ने। और जब किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा तो उसने जवाब दिया, इतना सिंपल लेक्चर है, ये तो मेरा ड्राइवर है। कहने का मतलब ड्राइवर को भी नॉलेज नहीं आती है सॉफ्टवेयर। आजकल हमारे पास सॉफ्टवेयर नॉलेज कहाँ से आती है? From the WhatsApp. Everybody become expert of everything by reading the. That is very dangerous knowledge. Because you are not deep diving. Using this platform, you can go really deep into the subject. You can discuss. Even you can really see how your ideas can be implemented, how the others are working, like that, this networking. And Samaji, I can just tell you because of this NAHEP projects, visits, we touched around 250 new topics, cutting edge areas in which students have been trained in these 45 countries. And our faculty, around 1100 faculty who visited abroad, they brought around 250 projects by signing MOUs, 450 MOUs, the different private university and other things. All those opportunities are now available to the students. Students are really getting benefited by getting new topics, by getting the new knowledge by the faculty, which can be shared with the students. That is multiplying, and that has really resulted in a lot of good things. One of the satisfying factor is that this project has been rated very high by the World Bank, and I am happy to share with all of you for the first time because ICR has been running many before NAHP there was NAIP, before NAIP there was NATP, before NATP there was NARP. So like that there were many World Bank projects. First time the World Bank has rated any project as outstanding. So that's really, this is happening for the first time again, that the lending agencies after the body summit and the project because we have performed very well. Otherwise it doesn't happen. Bank after recently World Bank this time, but this time it is reverse bank. That is the strength of our Indian system. And they are taking this as a model, implement in other countries. They have asked us, and we have submitted also, what are the best practices, how you made it so successful. So that is possible. Because of our dedication of our world vice chancellors like Dr. Vishwanath, many other persons, which has really resulted in such important achievement. And the letter which was received by the government to our written to our DG through Minister of Finance. First line itself says congratulations for our DG overachieving all the targets. Not achieving, overachieving. Some target was 95,000. 3.5 lakh number of beneficiaries. Some HNX was 25. We made it 35. So like that, every 62 parameters, not 1 or 2 parameters, 62 parameters, they were all over. So that is the reason why this was really a successful project. Dr. Patel, Center of Excellence today. So I think, do you have any Center of Excellence? This CAAST Center here. So you can just see that. What kind of Center of Excellence you require, which scheme it is, so then apply for that. I request somebody request. Under conditional education policy, there is a requirement to increase the gross enrollment ratio. Now, gross enrollment ratio we cannot increase to the number which has been projected in the NEP. NEP says that we must increase it to 9% from this. Presently it is 1%. So 9 times. Presently we are around 4 crores are the total students in the higher education. So 9% of 4 crores, 36 lakhs students we do not have in our universities. But I told UGC, I told the Minister of Education, we are conducting so many training programs. Such kind of training programs can be have some unique number through graduate school that they can be also counted in this process. So they are enrolled in graduate school, and their traceability there. And second thing, and Dr. Vishwas, I can just request, if possible, I will talk with NCDT, Revaluing Platform, Fuji Training Programs, and we are in touch with the STO, Agricultural Skill Council of India. They also certify such training programs. Let us call I have called their head, I think next week he's coming to meet me, and we want to have a plan how we can certify all such training so that they give a QR code that is registered in national portal anytime, so that anytime anybody can check that you have done this training like your digital. You need not to carry your certificate, so they are automatically uploaded, so it becomes a certified course. They send some assessor, and then such training programs are really added to your credits, so you get extra credits for all these things, get in your transcripts also. All those kind of things also really we have to see, so that we can say with a proud that we have trained so many students. In this particular case, 35 students which we are training, within 900 students we are training. Like that, around the year, the institutes are training different persons that can really increase visibility, and really benefit more and more. We are also trying to develop some mechanism how we can really train more and more rural youths who some of them not pursue this higher education. For that also such kind of mechanism, this NCBT, and other kind of they are really required. Thank you once again for inviting me, for giving me a chance to see so many faces here. I wish you all the best for this program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The implementation of national education policy is indeed a great responsibility before all of us, and the innovation shown by the NAHEP project educational technology can pave a good way forward for us. Ladies and gentlemen, we are lucky that today we have with us Dr. Tia Sharma, Director IARI, and DCG Crop Sciences with us, who is not only an ace science administrator, but also himself a great scientist. Dr. Sharma has worked in this very place for a very long time, and today we are all going to benefit by his address to this. Sir, I request you to please guide us in this journey.
Good morning to all. My distinguished colleagues, Dr. R.C. Agarwal, Deputy Director of Education, Dr. R.C. Mandacharya, Director at IARI, Dr. Vishwanathan, Joint Director Research, IARI, Dr. Manjaya, Dr. Gaur, Dr. Gopal Krishnan, Dr. Devasis Patnaik, all our familiar faces. Good morning to all. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Bhattacharya for giving me this opportunity to be here this morning. In fact, this is the first time I am coming to NIPV and standing on this podium for past 7 years. I was given fair 7th January 2017 to join Nabi Mohali. After that I didn't get any chance to come over here. Although I was a regular partner in your Foundation Day program, which used to be part of the story. So thank you Bhattacharya and your team, Dr. Anil, that you organized this particular training in such a way so that I was also able to make out to join this morning. The most important and satisfying thing is that this training program on humanity, which is being organized by NIPV and IARI for the students. It's a unique program, I would say, because we used to have training programs for young faculties and faculties across the country, but students are rarely involved. At least it was not available during our times. So I would say that all the students, those who got opportunity after rigorous selection of more than 950 students across the country, you should consider yourself very lucky that you are part of this very important journey of your academic life. Not only it gives you an opportunity to learn this new subject, although it's not very new now, relatively new. But you will also get opportunity to have interaction with your colleagues, participants coming across the country. And there was a introduction session. I was observing that this training program almost all parts of the zones of this country are involved. So that is very big, and I would like to introduce the selection committee for giving representation to different students from different parts of the country. I would also like to congratulate the organizers, Dr. Bhattacharya and his team, for preparing the manual of training program, which is very rare in many of the training programs which we used to see, it has been a tradition of this institute and IPV that all the training manuals are prepared and released on the day one. It is also very unique. And credit goes to all the contributors and staff members who are participating here as a training. I was reminded of one of the very important incidences when we conducted the valedictory functions of one of the training programs in 2017. I was director of an IARI. We were sitting like this along with PG Education, Dr. Rathod. And he just asked me, I whispered in my ears, do you have any CAAST, career advancement faculty training program or not? Told him we don't have. Then he told me that there is 1 or 2 days left for applying for this particular training program by the council. Why don't you apply? And during those days, Dr. Bhattacharya was the professor of MBB. He remembers. I called him after the valedictory function and immediately he prepared the application form for applying the education, the visa for this CAAST training program. And before leaving this organization in January 1st week, I presented that in front of the committee and also to the GDG Education, Dr. Rathod. And I am happy to note that program was finally sanctioned and a regular training program is being conducted at this institute. So today the commitment which Dr. Agarwal has made sure that Dr. Acharya will definitely prepare a document on organizing advanced training programs at this center along with IARI and apply for that. Council is very kind to not only IARI but also to NIPB, and they always help us in giving funds to do some new things. Dear colleagues and student friends, these trainings programs are very important. As I told you that you are not lucky enough that these trainings program existed during our times when we were an PhD student. But once I joined faculty in 1991, Agriculture University, and the first training program I attended at CPRI Shibla, I think Naik was there, and only one days. I grabbed that opportunity and attended that training program from university at CPRI Shibla. The benefit of such a training program was that between 91 and 95, we published 5 papers in plant cell report on tissue culture of synthetic seed, microrhizome, micropropagation, and all are highly cited. More than one of the papers is 250 citations. When I joined here in 1990, I am narrating the advantage of such training program which I got as a scientist. When I joined here in 1990, the Right Genome project was started in 2000, and I attended 2 short training program of 7 days each at GNU on bioinformatics. Daily I used to go from this campus to GNU to attend all of my colleague Dr. B.T. Singh. Some of you might be knowing him. Dr. Kishore might be remembering him. We both attended to those training programs, and daily from USA campus to GNU we used to go and attend that. And then Dr. Agarwal, he started a bioinformatics course at IARI for the first time. I think Dr. Agarwal was also part when you were in NVPCR of that course. Which we started on bioinformatics, introduction to bioinformatics. So not Not only these are important for personal skills, but also for changing your course of action in your academic life. How I would just tell you the next third training program which I attended at Cold Spring Harbor Lab, US on genome sequence, and then I became expert in sequencing, and most of my students started working on genome sequencing. The fourth training program I attended again at Cold Spring Harbor Lab on genome finishing and computational analysis of genomes. And if you see our list of publications, many of our students published papers on comparative genomics and very high after that training. So such an opportunity which you are getting during your young life, you will remember throughout your life that it will be helpful to all of you. Not only to build your career, but also to train other individuals in your life or academic life. Example is here. I would also again like to cite here. Out of 32 PhD students, which I guided at IARI and also in different universities like Punjab University, Chandigarh, Banasbari, BHU, many places. At least 6 students are involved in genome editing, and three of my student, Dr. I can see him there, Dr. Archana and Dr. Joshi. Now they are trainees in this particular training. They are going to provide you training in this particular training. So the students which will be working with me as a PhD scholar, this institute now has become expert in genome editing. Not only that, another student, first PhD student, he is now director at CTRI 6, Rajamundi, Central Tobacco Research Institute, Sheshu Madhav. He is also running a program on genome editing, which is ICRI's funding. Another student is Alok, who is PI of this genome editing program, 25 crore rupees at IIPR Kanpur. Third student Devana, who is associated with Dr. Vishwanathan as one of the partners in genome editing program of RICE. He is doing genome editing at the Central RICE Research Institute. So I would like to I'm mentioning all these things here, that all these trainings are far-reaching impact in your life. Whatever we are spending today, the organization of this particular training program, we are investing in future. Maybe after 10-15 years, you will become trainers. All the trainees, they will become trainers and guiding next generation of scientists. Maybe on some other technique which will come during those days. This was not available at our time. But let me tell you here, if you Google search and write first report of genome editing in plants, you will find of National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute, NAPI, where I was from 2017 to 20, and you will find that first year paper appeared somewhere in 2017 from NAPI, where they did genome editing of wheat and cell lines by sequencing that target a particular locus and put it was only at cellular level, not at whole plant. That was the first. Now NAPI is one of the leading centers of the country on genome editing. My student at NAPI, Sanskriti Bus. If you again Google search, you will find a review article published in 2019 by Sanskriti Bus along with me and one of my colleagues on genome editing, which is highly cited, more than 200 citations of that. And we started working on editing Pusa Ruby. Those who are familiar with Pusa Ruby variety of tomato, it's indeterminate type of acid goes on flower. So we were interested to make determinate. And we edited that now, and the publication is now coming after 4 or 5 years of work. So this country is now starting and venturing in this particular area of genome editing, and we have very good examples, and I am happy that I looked at the course content of this particular manual. All who's who of molecular biology in the plant molecular biology in the country are coming to deliver talk to your training. Would like to congratulate and thank the organizers, Dr. Bhattacharya, Dr. and all the colleagues for making efforts to contact all of them. Those who are not only working on this particular area, but also producing some very useful products. But when I looked at this particular course content, one of the important aspects which I found missing, and I request that you should take care of that. There is no topic on plant tissue culture and regeneration. It is the basics of fundamental basic of genome. Try to give exposure to your students to these. I was thinking Dr. Tanika will talk on that, but she is different topics on making gene construct and others. But on tissue culture there is no topic. It's very very important. And unless you qualify 3 important criteria in plant biology, you cannot do genome editing. As to all the students and scientists sitting here, those who doesn't know. Number one, you should have a reproducible plant regeneration and transformation protocol available for the species which you are targeting. The foremost criteria of selecting any species for genome editing. Number two, functionally validated and well characterized gene which you are going to edit. We are not going to put any gene from outside. Editing is changing base pairs here and there within the gene or its alleles, and then producing different products and phenotypes. So you should be aware of and select only those genes for genome editing projects or programs which is well characterized and functionally validated. I'm sure you are familiar with the term functional validation. Functional validation means isolate that gene, put it in a heterologous system or same species like and look at its phenotype, whether it is the same phenotype or not, for which you have cloned that particular gene. The third criteria, which is another very important one, is the genome sequence, whole genome sequence of the species which you are targeting for genome editing should be available with you or should be available in public domain. You can ask why. If you see literature and read carefully, most of the genes present in biological system, whether these are human, plants or bacteria, many of the genes are present in multiple copies in the form of gene families. So while editing a gene in a particular plant, if you edit only one copy of a gene, then it will not work. You have to look at the whole sequence of a plant and look at number of copies of that gene present within the plant genome. Otherwise you cannot edit it. Thirdly, using genome sequence information, you have to identify off-target effects of genome editing. So that you can only identify if you have genome sequence available. So these three prerequisites are very very important, and I am sure that during the course of discussion and presentation by all the experts on this training program, they will be definitely taking care of it. The fourth component which I was interested to talk here is about ICAR program on genome. You are very lucky participants that you are being trained by a group of individuals which is being led by Dr. Swami Viswanathan, who is the overall coordinator of ICAR's genome editing programs in crop plants. And they started in 2018 to work on genome editing in rice. Now a very successful example by this particular group is of editing NPU 1010 variety of rice for the gene CDS. Which Dr. Swami's group has done, and the variety editor line is being tested in the ICRP project. And other important outcome of that project, which we started from Council in 2018 from ICGB, and Dr. Reddy is also one of the speakers here, who has developed a product and edited same variety for plant architectures. The third report which we got is from this ICR project is from Indian Institute of Rice Research. Dr. Sprinder is there, who has developed a line of BPT 5204 at editing CKX gene. And you will be surprised to see that variety under field condition. Not only it gives 30 to 35% more yield as compared to the existing variety, but it is drought tolerant and also flowering 20 to 25 days early as compared to its parental line. So three different traits has now given us in the form product in the form of new edited lines. That is also being evaluated on a coordinator research project, and we are very much sure that we would be releasing those two varieties, particularly Dr. Viswanathan's product and also Sprinder's product during next year. So besides that now, if you remember, scientists colleagues from ICAR, they might be last year, and our Union Finance Minister made budget presentation. Then she made an announcement that 500 crore rupees will be given to ICAR for genome editing. That was submitted by Crop Science Division of ICAR and mostly prepared by Dr. Viswanathan. Let me say here in front of everyone. In the council, whenever we were getting such reports, we were supposed to submit that program, and once it was approved, 500 crore use of funding which government of India is giving, all the programs in genome editing use, particularly in crop plants. Then at council level that was distributed across various divisions, at least crop science division, we got a line share of 320 crore rupees work on crops, 120 crores to horticulture division, then I think 40 crore to animal sciences, 40 crore to fisheries, 10 crore to some other division. Natural resource management were not ready to take it, and they gave that money to us. The crop science division, you identify PIs and OPIs from our institution, then we will run that. So under that program, under crop science division, crop species, although we deal with 85 crops under crop science division in the Council of Agriculture Research or National Agriculture Research System. But out of those, genome editing program is being run from 25 crops around 24 institutions. More than 150 genes are being edited, and the criteria which I mentioned earlier, 3 criteria, which were all those crops which qualifies for those 3 criteria Viswanathan might be remembering that during my first interaction with the director and also with Dr. Viswanathan, I put forth these three criteria. Wherever these criteria are only select those crops, and those 24 crops and were selected, and I am happy to tell everybody here that around 19 to 20 crore was given NIPV. It's a huge amount. Probably you won't have got such a huge funding, and more than 150 crore rupee to IARI as New Delhi has a strong component of training abroad and training within India. So the area in which you are venturing as a young scientist, particularly the students, not only you are going to use this particular training for your masters and PhD programs, it will form a firm foundation in your academic life. And I'm sure that besides genome editing, if you see the course content, I don't know whether it is distributed to you all or not. Many molecular biology techniques are included in this particular course content. Probably for which you won't get exposure in each other organization. Because here you will find the scientists at IARI and those who are going to give training to all, and also delivering lectures. They have done all those experiments in their labs. It means they are expert in those areas and will definitely tell you small tidbits which you need in your daily laboratory experiments which are not written in most of the books. Okay? Unless you read 3 volumes of molecular biology, I don't know whether new generation has seen those volumes or not. Here you will find all details in those manuals. All that type of information you will get in this training program. Go to the course content. I was looking at the course content. I am from this institution. So my curiosity was what is not included in this, but I am happy to note that most of the things, almost everything is included in this particular program, and the tissue culture and maybe lecture IPR should be included, and that can be delivered to the participants. Finally, I would like to say to the participants, all the student colleagues, that since many of you are coming for the first time to this institution, and along with NIPV to IARI, don't forget to visit different labs of IARI. Although there is a program to take you to different labs, not only to the field offices, but also to the field facilities. I request to Dr. Gopal, if he can take them to the genetics division and tell about your programs on the marker assisted selection, which is one of the most successful programs of the country. And this type of opportunity you won't get. During these 10-12 days which are available with you, try to get maximum benefit of all the academic interaction with your faculty, with your peers, and also make friends among your peers, and that will pay you in future. Because I know the training program which I attended in 1991 at CPI Shimla, some of my training colleagues are still in contact with me. So this is very important opportunity you want. Thirdly, you should also try to visit important places in New Delhi. Maybe on some holiday. You should make a program to visit some of the important monuments and see around what is there in this national capital. So these training programs gives you an opportunity to have or to do multifarious activities besides your academic exercise, which should be number 1 activities of your 12 days program. But also try to learn something new from your interactions with your And we are well lucky that Dr. R.C. Agarwal could spare some time today this morning and coming to this very specific program, which is highly specialized. Because when you talk about this is the very latest approach which is available now, all of us, plant biology. Okay, and he could sponsor this program in this particular institution, and also will carry a message, very important message from today's deliberation that demand for such a new more than 950 applicants applied for this particular program. It shows that we need to organize multiple programs in the country, not only at Delhi, because many times there are constraints, but also at different centers across the country. And education division is one of the best reasons of ICAR. They are involved in human resource development and also creating new generation of scientists in agriculture science. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me a opportunity. And I'm sure that all of you are going to benefit from 12 days, 13 days at this organization.
Thank you, sir, for those illuminating words. And I'm sure that the guidance which has provided is going to stay with us and guide through this training program. Sir, we have a small token of love for you from our organizers, and I request Dr. Asif Bhattacharya sir to please felicitate our chief guest of the program today. It is also felicitating our guest of honor in the education, Dr. R.C. Agarwal. It's a very kind host. Thank you, sir. बड़ा कार्यक्रम जिसका आयोजन किया गया है, यह सफल नहीं हो सकता है अगर इसके पीछे के लोगों के बारे में ना बताएं और उनका धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करें। जिस तरह से हम कार्यक्रम की समाप्ति की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं, मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ डॉक्टर संध्या शर्मा जी से धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव प्रस्तुत करें।
Good morning to all. On behalf of organizing committee, pleasure to propose both of us. And first and foremost, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our PhD Crop Sciences, Dr. T.R. Sharma sir. Your presence has added immense value and prestige to the You have always been a source of inspiration for our life. We are truly honored by your guidance and encouragement. Presence of DDG Education, Dr. R.C. Agarwal sir. inauguration of this training program is of special significance to us. His kind presence is a testimony of his wholehearted involvement in guiding agricultural research and education of the country. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind presence. I am truly grateful to join agricultural research and IARI, Dr. Vishwanathan. Sir, your guidance throughout the preparation of this training program and unwavering commitment to excellence have been instrumental in shaping this training program. My sincere thanks to our team director, Dr. Rasi Bhattacharya sir, for his vision, leadership and unwavering support that has made this training program possible. A sincere appreciation also goes to the participants sitting here as well as online attendees. We commend your enthusiasm, dedication and willingness to learn. My humble thanks to Nodal Officer, NAHEP-CAAST, Manjaya sir, and the head of department, Gopalakrishnan and all the scientific staff, technical staff, administrative staff, students, SRF and YB for your valuable presence. I would also like to thank auditorium in charge, Dr. Ashish Gupta and his team. Last but not least, my sincere thanks to coordinator Dr. Anil Singh and Dr. Pranjal Yadav, co-coordinator Dr. Anshu Vax, Dr. Soham Dey, Dr. Rachana Vax and Dr. Shivani Nagar, and all who are involved. Your hard work and dedication have ensured the smooth execution of this event. Once again, thank you one and all for being here. Let's continue to work together and grow together as we navigate this exciting journey of CRISPR.
And as we close the program, I, on behalf of organizers, invite you for a group photograph outside followed by hiking. Thank you.